Good morning, our dear viewers across the globe. This is News and Views, where facts meet analysis for a clearer Nigeria. I'm Simon Fakeye. This morning, we are reviewing the news headline Adedimeji's Triplet, 6 life lessons to learn. There's great need to express views on this news item because of the trending congratulations and well wishes across social media platforms since May 2nd, when the news was announced by the new father in the world, Abdulateef Adedimeji and Adebimpe Adedimeji, MO. So, as Yoruba will say, bá a bá ń bóníre yọ̀, a máa ríre gbà. So as much as we continue to identify with celebrants, the more good things come our way. So some of the good things that are bound to come our way is the 6 life lessons that we must learn in this celebration. There's need to express views on this news item, especially that Adedimeji's comment on his Instagram page, where he said for some time he withdrawn from social media activities. So in this statement, there's a great lesson to learn, and we call it 6 life lessons to learn. One, Adedimeji has taught us that we don't have to share every achievement, relationship update, or our struggles online. So whether it is family matter, plans, or personal growth, we can experience them without external opinions shaping our decisions. Number two, Adedimeji was saying that we may make decisions based on our values, not applause. And whether it is our career path, education, or relationships, we should focus on what truly matters to us, not to impress others. Number three, we should prioritize our well-being above any other thing during intense pressure or a particular seasons of life. That we should take break when needed and necessary in order to reduce unnecessary stress on ourselves. And that we should never hesitate to withdraw from any environment that drains us. The fourth one is that we should learn to tell our stories on our own terms. We should never feel pressure to explain ourselves. Whether it is a life decision or any challenge, we should share it at a convenient time and when it reflects our own truth. The fifth life lesson is that we should focus on building substance, skills, characters, and meaningful contributions rather than chasing constant attention. We must continue to remember that long-term impact always outweighs short-time visibility. The sixth life lesson that we should learn from Adedimeji in their decision to withdraw from the general public, especially the social media, when necessary, for them to return with this joyful announcement, is that we should set and clear boundaries in our own life, either with friends, families, at work, or on social media platforms. We should learn to say no when necessary, so that we'll come back when people will have no other options than to celebrate us. What is your opinion? Are friends, followers, relatives of Adedimeji's family, are you of the opinion that they shouldn't have stayed away from social media at that particular time? Or you support the idea of, oh, that is a better decision for them. Now the world can't celebrate them. In our private lives, we have times when there's need to take a particular decision. So what should we do? Is there any need for us to learn from Adedimeji's family? Whatever is your decision, we're waiting for you at the comment section. Until tomorrow when we come your way, this is News and Views, where facts meet analysis for a clearer Nigeria. I'm Simon Fakeye. Thanks for watching.